Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. That was really loud. I don't know how loud it was through the speakers, but it was like explosively loud on my end. I got a package from We Knives, and there was a whole bunch of stuff, but when I realized how many actual the really premium We Knives were actually in there, I thought, I better do them one at a time. So I have not been in this box yet. So we're going to share this moment together. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And thanks so much to We Knives for sending this knife in. It will be available by the time you are watching this video. I'll have it linked right down below in the description if you want to check it out. So this is called the Riff Raff in CPM 20 CV. Release. There we go. All right. The Riff Raff. Lots of stuff. Great. And okay. Kind of a medium-sized one. Bronze. This is the bronze and black one. Kind of straight. I mean, here's the thing. I don't know what they're charging for this. I'm moving this stuff so the camera doesn't try to focus on it. I don't know what they're charging for this stuff, but I am happy that they're starting to do full backspacers and unique pocket clips. Okay, yeah, I like it open way more than I did closed, and the ergonomic lines make a lot of sense now. This is actually kind of neat. Not like the most spectacular thing in the whole world, and I've definitely seen similar things before, but we have some nice contoured titanium, the steel lock bar insert, CPM 20 CV blade, some nice bronze accents. Really not bad. I mean, I like that we've got a taller blade. The curvature of it's nice. It kind of reminds me of like a hornet or a wasp or something like that. But I like the position, basically how the thumb ramp complements the index finger position. This feels really good. Nice. Okay, let's do real quick some size comparisons, get some specs here. Man, my fingernails are dirty. Every time, if you eat avocados for breakfast, I don't know if you're like me, I eat avocados in the morning. They just immediately get under my fingernails and then turn brown, and it just looks disgusting. How about Civivi Elementum and the Pyrite? That's what I've been trying to use these more often. There we go. Doing these backwards. Other knives that are of similar size, the Ontario Rat Model 2 and the Spyderco Para 3. We can do that. How about the Demco AD 20.5? Good deal. These are all knives that are similar in size. We'll do a couple that are larger. There we go. And how about the Spyderco PM2? It's got kind of a, taller knife presence to it. It's just not nearly as long. All right, I want to measure it here real quick. We probably should have measured it before we did the deal there. Overall length of the Riff Raff, it's 7 1/4. Blade length is coming in at a little more than 3 1/8. Cutting edge is exactly 3 inches. Do we have milling on the inside? Let's take a look. That freaking flashlight, there it is. There is. It's milled out for weight reduction, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and weigh it. I bet this weighs sub 4 ounces, easy. Find out. Yep, 3.5 ounces. Really not bad. This is a good, EDC size titanium frame lock. But as much as I've been getting on companies for making too many small knives here lately, I gotta say this. This doesn't bother me as much because it still feels like a fairly large knife, right? I mean, it's just the presence of it. I don't mind small knives. It's just, when companies are making little teeny tiny, super thin little knives, it just kind of drives me nuts. I just feel like we have enough of those, right? This is only a 4-minute video, and I think what I'm going to do here is go ahead and unbox the other one. I'll try to put something at the beginning of the video to let people know. Just because there's really not a whole lot to say here. So the other one that came was called the Navo. Rose carbon fiber handle gray titanium liner. Okay. The Navo. Let's find out what this is. Just feel like that's... a 5-minute video is just a little bit too short for regular content. Navo. Okay. Okay. We've got... Yeah, actually, I like the Rose. Ooh. We got this is a titanium liner lock here. Okay. Yeah. Not bad. I'm assuming that we got a milled backspacer and clip here. You know, the action on this is crazy smooth. Oh, we've seen this design a million times. I'm just really impressed that we actually did a titanium liner lock with a steel lock bar insert. This is a more interesting knife. Right off the bat. There's no way that's 8 inches. Let me measure it. This is cool though. Hold on a second. No, not quite. 7 3/4. Man, what is it with we not wanting to make anything over 8 inches, right? Like this, man, if this was like 8.5 inches, man, that would have been sick. But listen, the way that it is actually really good. I actually like this a lot. We don't see a lot of titanium liner locks from WE, and the carbon fiber is really nice here. I'm a bit disappointed that they went with a belt satin finish on this. I mean, that's fine if that's like your favorite finish in the whole world, and like everything in your house is belt satin finish, your car is belt satin finish, your shoes are belt satin finish, right? Maybe your belt is belt satin finish. That's fine if that's your favorite thing in the whole world, and you wear a t-shirt that says I love belt satin finishes, right? Fine, that's great. That can be your life. But WE does plenty of other really good finish, their glass blasted finish. I think looks a lot better, or even their standard tumbled finish. That would have looked really cool. But okay, actually, really nice. I like this one a lot. I'm hoping that they don't go nuts with the price tag because there's nothing here that suggests that it should be ultra expensive. So if this comes in at a reasonable price, this might be a real winner here. The overall design is good, and we have a fully flat ground blade, which is very, very good for just daily tasks. The blade is nice and thin, typical drop point blade with a little bit of belly. This is really nice. What do we have for the steel? Surely 20 CV. Is that what that says? I can't even see it. Yeah, 20 CV. Okay. Some blue accents there. Yeah. And also the weight. I mean, I can't stress this enough. This is noticeably smoother than other WE knives right out of the box. Even with, WE's newer, a lot of the newer knives that have better action. 2.79 ounces. That's nice. Really lightweight. Okay. This this is okay. The riffraff's okay. I really like this, and I'm hoping that we see a decent price tag on it. Not going to hold my breath, but I'm just saying the build here suggests that maybe it's going to be a little less than their titanium frame locks. Pretty good stuff. Okay, I'm glad I went ahead and unboxed 2 of them. That's going to be pretty much it today. Expect individual, full comprehensive reviews on each of these knives. Thanks so much to WE for sending them in. Both of these will be listed down in the description if you guys want to check them out. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.